Hello friends, welcome to my quantity survey YouTube channel. Now we are going to see about how to take off the quantity in AutoCAD. This is the AutoCAD drawing and this is an Excel file. So just let me see about the AutoCAD file and plan. So this is the AutoCAD plan. So I'm going to take a quantity for the RC1 wall. So there is a section given for the RC1 wall. This is the section. So here you can find there is the wall and there is a wall direction for that. So wall direction is nothing but the direction is given for the window purpose. So while taking the quantity, you have to detect this window. This whole wall is going to be a concrete. That's why we are detecting this wall. So if you see the sections of this RC1 wall, the total length of the wall on the external side is 3.255 meter, and the internal wall side is 3.055. So if we take the quantity for the concrete, now we go to the Excel, then we type the serial number, description, units, numbers, length, breadth, depth, and quantity in remarks. So first type, if you want to take the quantity of the concrete, just type concrete and write the number or for the specification RCW1, and the cubic meter of the concrete is unit of the concrete is cubic meter. Number 1, length is 3.255, the breadth is 0.125. Here the breadth is 0.125 and the depth of the wall is 3 meter. The volume of the concrete is length into breadth into depth. So if you multiply that, you will get the quantity 1.22. And here I am going to show you about how to take the shattering quantity for that wall. So there are the RCW1 outside wall. The unit of the shuttering is square meter. One number. External outer side 3.255. Length is 3.255 and the depth of the wall is 3 meter. So multiply 1 into length in the breadth, length in the depth. So it is coming 9.77 meter, square meter. So generally shuttering will be calculated perimeter into depth. So if you go to the inside wall, RCW1 inside, the unit of the wall is unit of that square meter, unit of that square meter, numbers 3.055 inside into depth is 2.875. Because why I am taking 2.87 means, so if we take the outside, it is coming 3 meter. If we take the inside wall, the slab portion thickness will be deducted because you won't put the shuttering for the inside part. So that's why you are deducting 0.125. And for this is mainly for the aluminum shuttering works. So generally aluminum shuttering works contains a jambs shuttering. So that's why you are taking the jambs here. This is the deductions for that wall. So deduction is, this is 1.5 meter and 1.2 meter. Two sides you are going to deduct, so that's why -2. And for the jambs you have to take separately. Jam is nothing but the side of that window portion. So here 1.5 meter plus 1.5 meter plus 1.2 meter plus 1.2 meter. Total length of that jam into, this one is 0.125. So the total square meter area of that shuttering area of that wall is 15.48.